Sixth standard students, now according to syllabus, the next chapter is mensuration, chapter number 10. Now introduction. When we talk about some plane figures as shown below, we think of their regions and their boundaries. We need some measures to compare them. We look into this now. Okay. Boundary. Now see here. And region, that means inside. And region, same. Now if we want to measure, so what we will do, first we will take thread, and thread we will arrange in this according to this shape, and then we will open, and with the help of ruler we will measure. So it is called perimeter. Okay. So now next topic is perimeter. Look at the following figures. You can make them with a wire or a string if you start from the point S. Okay. You have made, if you start from the point S in each case and move along with the line segments, then you again reach the same point. You have made a complete round of the figure. See here. When we take one thread here and we give the shape of this, and when we will open the thread, so straight line we will get again. Same way in this figure and this figure. So one round will be taken by thread every time. So that means, in short, we can say that we are measuring the outer boundary of the given figures. Okay. So in each case we have taken one round of the figures. The distance covered is equal to the length of wire used to draw the figure. In short, we can say that the distance covered is equal to the length of wire used to draw the figure. So the distance is known as the perimeter of the closed figure. Triangle is a closed figure. When we start to draw the figure, again we will reach at same point. Okay, so it is closed figure. So if we are measuring the outer boundary of this triangle, so it is called the perimeter of the triangle. This distance is known as the perimeter of the closed figure. It is the length of the wire needed to form the figure. So if we want to draw the figure, again we can draw with the help of thread, and if we want to measure, we will open the thread and we can measure easily. The idea of perimeter is widely used in our daily life. A farmer who wants to fence his field, होते हैं ना किसान लोग अपने बॉर्डर में लगाते हैं वो तार, उससे फेंस करते हैं कि कहीं कोई जानवर उनकी फसल ना खा ले. An engineer who plans to build a compound wall on all sides of house. कांच लगे होते हैं, आपने देखा है बंगलो या उसमें कि ऐसे जिग टाइप के लगे होते हैं ऊपर, जैसे कि कोई चोर या थीफ दे can't enter in the bungalow. A person preparing a track to conduct sports. Sports में you can see the boundary. We draw the boundary. So all these people use the idea of perimeter. Give 5 examples of situation where you need to know the perimeter. So first of all, you will write this definition given in the bold letters. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Suppose that you can see this Sanskrit book. Okay. Wait beta. See here, this book. Now, outer boundary, if we want to measure of this book, so with the help of ruler, this page we can measure, and the front, this cover of the book is in rectangle shape. So when we will measure, we will get the perimeter of this cover. Okay. So this chapter you will do in the interleaf notebook, and first of all you will write the definition of perimeter, okay? And a figure you will draw that triangle or figure. I'll give you, I will show which figure you have to draw in front of the definition of perimeter. Now try this. Measure and write the length of the four sides of the top of your study table. So it's up to you. You will solve this, measure the length of your study table and you will write and add all the sides. Now measure and write the lengths of the four sides of a page of your notebook, the sum of the lengths of the four sides. This is also you will do. Now Meera went to a park 150 meter long and 80 centimeter wide. She took one complete round on its boundary. What is the distance covered by her? So this question you will do, and only you will write their revision. In the revision form you will take. Now this two questions you will do only in the textbook, and this you will copy and then write. So basic, what is the basic method in the lower classes what we do, I am explaining, that way you will do. So first you will write given the length of the park is 150 meter and breadth is 80 meter. Then draw the park. Only figure, rough figure you will draw on the blank page, and then write the perimeter of the park is 4. You can see in the park 4 sides are there because it is written. So 150 meter plus 80 meter plus 150 meter plus 80 meter, and then add and then write. So Meera covered dash meter of distance. So in AB, you can see AB 40, BC is 10, CD 40, DA 10, and then 8 here. Same way. Now here also the length of AB you will write. Same way you will copy in the interleaf notebook. This you have to do in the interleaf notebook, children. Now AB, so you can read here 1, BC 3, CD 3, then DE 1. So you will write, you will solve easy. Only addition is there. So how will you find the perimeter of any closed figure made up entirely of line segments? Simply find the sum of the lengths of all sides, which are line segments. See here, line segments are there. So what we do to calculate the perimeter? We add the measurement of line segments and we get answer, right? Now perimeter of rectangle. So rectangle, you can see the shape of this. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and each angle is 90 degree. Okay, let us consider a rectangle ABCD whose length and breadth are 15 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. What will be its perimeter? So perimeter of rectangle, sum of all sides. And the properties of rectangle, we know opposite sides are parallel and equal. So 15, 15, 9, 9. So we will add all the sides. So we will get 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 9. That means 2 times we are adding length and 2 times we are adding breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So formula will be, we can take 2 common. So formula will be 2 common and length plus breadth. That means first we will add length and breadth and multiply by 2. So that is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. It is the main formula. Now remember that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, AB, CD, AD, BC. That means when we add 2 times length, 2 times breadth, we get the perimeter of rectangle. So in short, what we can do? Length and breadth first we will add, then multiply by 2, we get the answer, the perimeter of rectangular shape. Try these. Find the perimeter of the following rectangles. Okay. Length is this, breadth is this, add all sides and then by formula. So when we will add this side, 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.5 plus 0.25. So we will get answer. First forget the decimal. I am solving here. 0.25, then 0.5, that means 0. Again 25 and then 0.5, 0. So 5, 5, 10, carry over 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 2, 10, 15, 5, carry over 1, 1.50. That means 1.5 meter. You will write answer. Then here formula. So 2 in the bracket, 0.5 plus 0.25. Then calculate. So 0.5 plus 25 will be 0.75. And when you will multiply by 2, you will get 1.50. So by both the methods we are getting same answer, but it is the standard method. Now 18 plus 15 plus 18 plus 15, and here first you will write 18 plus 15 multiplied by 2. Same way 10.5 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter you will do, and you will send on this on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, this table you will solve only here. Hence, from the said example, we notice that perimeter of rectangle, that means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So, how many times we are adding? Length plus length 2 times, breadth plus breadth 2 times. So, formula will be perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. First add length and breadth and then multiply by 2. Let us now see practical applications of this idea. So, illustrations you will solve. Now, perimeter of regular shapes. Consider this example. Vishwamitra wants to put colored tape all around a square picture. You can see the square picture, all sides are equal. So, he wants to arrange the tape on the border. What will be the length of the colored tape he requires? That means perimeter we have to calculate, outer the measurement or the measurement of outer boundary. First we have to take. Since Vishwamitra wants to put the colored tape all around the square picture, he needs to find the perimeter of the picture frame. Thus the length of the tape required, perimeter of a square, add all the boundary, the length of the boundary, measurement of the boundary, so 4 meter. So 4 meter of length is in this square. So 4 meter less is required. Now we know that all the 4 sides of a square are equal. Therefore, in place of adding it 4 times, we can multiply the length of one side by 4. See here, repeated addition is called multiplication. So same value we are adding. So we can multiply one time, 4 times we are adding. So 4 into 1, 4. It is the long process. It is the shortcut method. Thus the length of the tape required, 4 into side. Why 4 into side? Because all the 4 sides are equal in square. For this example, we see that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Because all the sides are equal in square. Draw more such squares and find the perimeter. So you can do. Now look at equilateral triangle. The definition of equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, with each side equal to 4 centimeter. So can we find its perimeter? Yes, add all the 3 sides. So repeated addition is called multiplications. How many times we are adding? 3 times. So 3 into 4, 12. So perimeter of equilateral triangle, the formula is 3 into length of a side. What is similar between a square and an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in both the shapes. They are figures having all the sides of equal length and all the angles of equal measure. Here all the angles are 90 degree, and here in triangle the sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. Okay. Such figures are known as regular closed figures. Why we are using regular word? Because all the sides are equal. And why we are calling closed figures? Because when starting point and ending point of this figure is same. Ending point and starting point. And all the sides are, so we can say that a square is a regular closed figure. So, thus a square and an equilateral triangle are regular closed figures. You found that perimeter of a square 4 into length of one side, perimeter of an equilateral triangle 3 into length of one side. So what will be the perimeter of regular pentagon? So regular pentagon means all the sides of pentagon is equal. And how many sides in the pentagon? 5. So regular pentagon. So formula of the perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 into length of a side. A regular pentagon has 5 equal sides. Therefore, perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 into length of one side. And the perimeter of regular hexagon will be hexagon. All 6 sides are equal because regular word we are using. 6 into length of one side. The perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to 6. In place of 5, 6 into length of one side. And of an octagon, so regular octagon, that means all the sides are equal in octagon with 8 sides. So in place of 5, 8 into length of one side. Now illustrations you will solve. Now see here, try these. Find various objects from your surroundings which have regular shapes and find their perimeters. So one example I shown you the front cover of the Sanskrit textbook, and so many example you can see and you can find the perimeter of these. Let us start exercise 10.1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So first you can take Xerox of it and you can paste, and this chapter you will do in the Interleaf notebook. So you will first suppose that you have drawn this, and if you want to draw you can draw, and then you will write on the lining page perimeter of given figure or given quadrilateral is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, and then 8 in the next line, and you will write the perimeter of the given figure is dash this in this way. Clear? 5 plus 1, 6, 6 to 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So I am solving for you this one. So first you will write, draw the figure on the blank page and then write perimeter of the figure is equal to sum of all the sides. So 40 plus 35 plus 23 plus 35 is equal 133 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given figure is 133 centimeter. In this way you will solve. Then same way you will solve this. Now see in this. Perimeter of the figure is sum of all the sides is equal. You will start from here. And everywhere you can see the side length of the line segment is written. So you have started from here and you will reach here again. That means 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 and then 8. Okay. Same way you will start from here. 1 plus 4 plus 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5 and then 4. Clear? Now question number 2. The lead of a rectangular box of sided 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. That means box is there and sealed. That means outer boundary, perimeter. What is the length of the tape required? Let us solve the sum. So first we will write, given the length of the lead in the rectangular box is equal to 40 centimeter and the breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Then perimeter of the lead is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B, 2 in the bracket 40 plus 10, 40 plus 10 is 50, so 2 into 50, 100 centimeter. And in the statement form answer you will write, so required length of the tape is 100 centimeter. Now question number 3, a tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? That means you can see the table and the top. The length is given and breadth is given. So first we will change in the standard unit. That means here given, length is given, meter and centimeter, breadth is also given, meter and centimeter. So we will write given the length 2 meter 25 centimeter, that means 2.25 meter. So given the length of tabletop is equal 2 meter 25 centimeter, that means 2.25 centimeter. In the next line breadth is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter, that means 1.50 meter. And afterwards formula, the perimeter of the tabletop is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B, and after that you can see on the green board. Perimeter of the tabletop is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. So in place of L 2.25 and in place of B we will put 1.50. Add this, you can see rough work 527 decimal as it is 213. So 2 into 3.75. So when we will multiply by 2 this value we will get 7.50. We can cancel this 0 because after decimal the last 0 we can cancel. So the perimeter of the tabletop is 7.5 meter. Now fourth question, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph? That means suppose that it is photograph and we have to frame outer boundary. That means perimeter, we will calculate perimeter. Okay. So here length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively. So you can see the photograph framed is in rectangular shape. Okay, the photograph also is in rectangular shape, so you can calculate the perimeter and you will write. Clear? Given the length of the frame of the photograph is equal to this and breadth is equal to this, then perimeter of the photograph and then that much of strip, wooden strip required. Okay. Now fifth question, a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. How many rows? 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? So first what we will do? First we will write, given the length of a rectangular piece of land is equal to 0.7 kilometer. In the next line breadth is equal to 0.5 kilometer. Then the perimeter of the land equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. And after that C on the. So perimeter of the land is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B, length is 0.7 plus 0.5, rough work you can see 0.7 plus 0.5, 1.2. So 2 into 1.2, that means 12 2s are 24, before 1 digit decimal is there. So 2.4 kilometer, that means in one round, the length of the wire should be this. After that we will write, required length of the wire for one round is equal to 2.4 kilometer. So required length of the wire for 4 rounds is equal to 2.4 into 4. That means When you will multiply 4 4s are 16, carry over 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 before one digit decimal. So required length of the wire is 9.6 kilometer. Okay.